Hey.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. What you doing?
I don't know.
What's this?
Flying.
Would you look at that? Just look at it. That looks like a CGS hawk starting to come together. Sorry for the crappy audio and video, but Dave didn't tell me to bring my camera today and I forgot. He told me this was happening and I'm just dumb, but whatever. Look at that. Oh, I'm excited. All right, we're gonna take it off and put it in the hangar. Right?
Yep.
And no wings, right? Because this is the ground hawk.
The ground. Yep.
I think that's the first time I've made him speechless. I don't think the wings are going to fit in this way, Curtis. Door's not all the way open. Oh, there are no wings. All right, get some wings. Put this puppy together.
Got some tinkering to do here and there.
Okay, doesn't quite fit.
I didn't know, maybe we'd do some notching here.
Will that fit up in whenever? Yeah. Yeah.
Exhaust is going to have to be trimmed around it.
Okay. Yep.
Oh yeah. Because you don't know which engine is going to
If you just run the engine for a while, then it'll fit because it'll just melt right into place. All right, up next, wings. As an aside, this is Dave's kid Colby, and he'll be getting some time in that hawk. You just got a little ride in the yellow Chinook over there, didn't you? Mm-hmm. How'd you like that?
It was fun.
It was fun. Did you get to take the controls at all?
Yeah.
And? Did you die?
No.
Didn't die. Awesome. So, cool. Dave! I always do that. Dave! And I accuse you of something. You put the wings on without me. I was supposed to video that.
What's your phone number?
I'm doing a video.
506
Oh, do you want this on YouTube?
425.
Everybody text Dave! Dave wants your texts! so here's the hawk. And the wings are on it. And the covering, the nose covering stuff is on it. And the ailerons aren't hooked up yet. As you can see, they're dangling. Those are optional anyway, as far as I'm concerned. But we got bolts in the wings and mountains. This is exciting. It's IFR training currently. Can't see out of that. And then of course it's night rating trained. Put that over there for your night rating. And yeah, she's looking good. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who wouldn't be? So that black flap at the front is going to come over and cover all of that up. And then until then, we can kind of get an inside the cockpit look here. That's what I'm going to see most of the time. Except back of Dave's head will be there too. All right. Dave's busy doing like mechanic-y stuff, so I guess we can't talk too much. Oh, is he done? You done? So what do you think, Dave?
What should I think, Matt?
Are you leaving, Gord? About time.
Too much YouTube for Gord.
So yeah.
Did you look inside, Matt?
A little bit. Not a whole lot. Walk me through
special
this.
just for you.
Walk me through this. I want to see. We figured that was for your night rating. Put that over the top of your night rating, and this is for flying through clouds.
VFR?
Yeah, IFR and night, yeah. I see seats. Seat cushions.
Yes.
That's nice. That's exciting.
I put them on while they were wet. So
Excellent.
They didn't have to be stretched too hard.
That's smart.
You took issue with the arrangement of the gauges, so I purposely switched them.
So you switched them
Just for you.
just for me. Fantastic. So is it the way you want it now?
Different.
You're indifferent. All right.
As long as the information's there,
Right.
I
Yep.
don't tend to have an issue retaining.
Yep. No, that's a look at that. All of the
Put some ports in
nice.
for various
Accoutrements and whatnot. Have we decided where the radio is going to go yet?
We have not.
All right, so we'll figure that out.
Acquired a radio.
And the intercom, we're probably just going to stick up there, right?
The intercom's still back ordered.
Right. We got the old strobe going down there. We're just going to leave the convertible open?
Well, that's an option. I probably wouldn't.
I don't think I would either.
The doors come off very easily.
And so,
Could fly without doors.
and so they just zip off.
Zip on and.
Oh my, we're going to fly without doors.
we can fly
We're totally, and my doors come off the back too?
do.
Pretty easy?
Yeah.
So excited.
I don't think we're too far away.
No, We're getting close.
Couple weeks of evenings, maybe
Yeah.
a couple months for aircraft spruce.
Yeah, that's the hard part. Yep. Beauty.
Shouldn't be too much, a bolt or two here and there.
Yeah. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. All right, well, there's the next update, I guess. Wings are on. It's at the airport. And I guess now it's the finishing touches. 90% done, 90% to go, right?
Yep.
That's how she normally goes. So, all right. There goes Owen. Cool. All right, well, what do you think, Gary? Should we go up again?
Why don't we?
All right, then. Later, Gator.
See ya.
No. Good night, Dave.
Bye, Pat.